This is our expanded metal mesh machine, G35 model. The material thickness can be maximum 1.5 millimeter. The mesh width can be 1.27 meter. The parting speed can be maximum 500 times per minute. Let's see the machine parts next. This is hydraulic decoller. It can bear maximum 5 tons material. Then let's go to see the main parts, expanded metal mesh machine. This is the main expanded metal mesh machine. It adopts Delta brand so motor feeding the material. It adopts pneumatic parts to fix the material. For the cutter, on the machine it is alloy steel cutter, YJ20 material. For different mesh opening size, you need to change the upper cutter. Lower cutter usually no need to change. This is the control panel. We adopt world famous brand electric parts. This is the Siemens brand touchscreen, Siemens brand PLC, Schneider relay, Schneider contactor, Schneider switch, Schneider air switch, Delta brand inverter, Delta brand servo driver, Siemens brand inverter. This is the flattening machine. The flattening roller is 400 mm diameter, hardness 60 degree. The gearbox connects with the axis directly. It can guarantee stable working. This is the mesh slitting machine. On this machine, it slits the mesh into 10 pieces. Then it will through the guide roller to the recoiling part. This is hydraulic type recoiler. It can coil 10 mesh rolls at the same time. For the finished mesh coil, the inner diameter can be minimum 370 mm. The maximum coil diameter can be maximum 1.5 meter.